In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in a Tableau dashboard using a navigation object. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's dive right in and explore this valuable feature of Tableau. To begin, open your preferred internet browser and search for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau website, log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Tableau offers a user-friendly interface for both seasoned users and newcomers, so getting started is a breeze. After logging in, you will find yourself at the Tableau dashboard. Here, you have the option to open an existing workbook if you've already been working on one. If this is a brand new project, feel free to create a new workbook. The choice is entirely up to you. This tutorial will accommodate either option, as the steps are applicable to both scenarios. With your workbook ready, the next step is to navigate to the specific dashboard where you want to add the navigation button. This could be a dashboard that's already populated with data visualizations or a fresh canvas where you plan to build your story. Once you're within the desired dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and design of your workspace. On the left side of your dashboard workspace, you will notice the Objects pane. This is a valuable tool in Tableau, providing various elements to enhance your dashboard. Here, locate the navigation object. This feature is what you will use to create the button that allows users to seamlessly navigate through different dashboards or sheets. Now, drag and drop the navigation object onto your dashboard. As you do this, you have the flexibility to place it as either a tiled object or a floating object. Choosing tiled will have the button integrated into the grid structure of your dashboard. For a more dynamic approach, press and hold the Shift key while dragging to place the button as a floating object. This allows for more versatile positioning, as you can place it anywhere over other objects without disrupting the existing layout. Experiment with both options to see which fits your design preference better. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a navigation button to your Tableau dashboard. This button serves as a functional and aesthetic enhancement to your project, offering users an interactive experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to explore further customization options and continue honing your Tableau skills. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your data storytelling.